Go.
Welcome everyone to Play Drums the easy way. Okay, I hope that you are continuing on your drumming journey to become the best drummer that you can be. And as I've always been doing, all right, I want to encourage you, don't stop, don't stop. Even when it gets hard, keep on going. You have to be disciplined if you are going to achieve your goals. So in this new series of drumming videos, what we're going to be looking at is combining 2 and 3 beats together. Sometimes you may play a song and a song requires more than one genre of drumming. All right, and so today, the first one we're going to be looking at is just slows, all right, and combined with reggae. Okay, so are you ready? So let's go. So the 2 beats will be, first one is, and this would have been an old beat that you have learned already if you have been following my videos. And the other one would be reggae. That's one drop, reggae, reggae, yeah, yeah. So those are the 2 beats. So let's combine them now. 1, 2. Yeah, so that's slows, blues combined with reggae. So look for some other, all right, mixtures of beats as we go along, all right? So pause this video if you have to, go over and over and over until you get it right, okay? But don't stop. So thank you for liking, thank you for sharing, all right? And look out for my book called Play Drums the Easy Way. Thank you.